Welcome to Top Tips Tuesday. Hi, Jeff here from GCD Property. So this week's tip is property investment tax benefits. So we understand the cash flow of an investment property is very important. Generally we receive two ways of generating that income. So one will be the rent that we all know about, the rental income coming into the property. The other factor that can really change the yield or the cash flow of the property is the tax benefits. So with an investment property, there's generally two types of tax benefits in terms of the depreciation. The depreciation you can claim on the building structure itself over the first 40 years. So if the house you're looking at buying or the unit is 20 years old, for example, you'll have 20 further years of tax depreciation on the building, the cost of the building structure. On the depreciation on the second tier is the fixtures and fittings. So these things like carpets, light fittings, ceiling fans, air cons, things like that. So what you need to do when you buy the next investment property is you get a quantity surveyor to do a tax depreciation schedule. Generally this is a one-off report, and then every year your accountant will work out the tax depreciable items based on that report. During the time of ownership of that investment property, if you add any value to the property and replace items, always keep a track of all that expenditure and speak to your accountant every year to make sure that you're getting the maximum tax benefits and claiming everything that's legally possible. So that's tax benefits and depreciation can really add to the long-term income of the property. I think it's really important to keep those records, have them on one place, and always review with your accountant how that property's performing. You'll get a quantity surveyor to do the depreciation schedule, and the accountant will be able to work out those costs based on the schedule that the Australian Tax Office will allow. So I hope that's helped for property investors. If you need any help with those tax depreciation schedules, welcome to contact me. I'll see you next week and have a great Easter. Thanks, Jeff from GCD Property.